Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to check followers on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store, or of course go to the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom screen, we have the spotlight, we have the stories where you can check out the stories of your friends, the camera, and the location and chat there. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and how to check followers on Snapchat. Well, it's pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So as I already told you, open Snapchat and go to your profile. To go to your profile, you can go and tap on the top left corner. You have your icon here, as you can see. Or of course, you can go and check out some other different, so in other screens you have it also. So tap on my public profile. Note that you can also see your followers count from the inside section. Now you'll see the number of followers mentioned under your username. So the number will be under your username, where you can go and check out how much followers you actually have. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.